Hey guys, in today's video I am going to be doing a room tour. So I haven't done one of these in about 2 years. So this time I did a room tour. And so yeah, the theme of my room is now mostly black and white with rose gold, although besides the perfume bottles, the makeup, very minimalist kind of theme you could say. There's a few quotes on the walls, there's a picture of me, which I don't really like that picture, but my mum likes the picture, so I'm like, yeah, might as well hang it up. And there's also a part of my room which has drawings on it, which I love to draw flowers, so there's some flowers up there. But besides that, it's all pretty much beauty, aesthetically pleasing looking kind of. So if you want to see what my room looks like now in 2018, then keep on watching. So firstly, I apologise for the camera being shaky. I was holding the camera and recording this video, and I thought just showing my room would be really boring, so I decided to, spice it up a little bit, spice it up, and make the video go to the beat of the music. So you're not really seeing my room in a slow motion kind of way, it's more like artistic. I hope you guys don't mind, but nonetheless, I hope you enjoy. And now your song is on repeat, and I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go. Symphony, like a love song on the radio. We hold me tight and not let go. Give a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and also comment below the video requests. By the time this video gets uploaded, I think it will be a month since I recorded it, but if you've got any video requests, please comment them below. And again, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll see you all next time in the next one. Bye!